If you're anything like me, you lose absolutely everything. When it comes to tools, screws, screwdrivers, goner. I'll never find them after a second use until I got these things. I know exactly where my tools are all the time. Let's dig into them. This is the Koito roll-up tool bag. Look at that. So easy to carry around, keeps everything together. I know where all of my tools are. That's the coolest part. Between the black bag and the brown bag, I know what I have. For example, this is like where my multi-tools are. Up in here, we have super glues, we have electrical tape, my mini screws. And when I'm done with it, of course, I zip them up, I roll them up, buckle it up, and I walk out. I've had this bag for about 3 years. Extremely durable. It has stayed tough. It has gotten wet. It has been dropped down flights of stairs, and it has stayed in really good shape. Now, the internal parts of it have not changed. You're still going to get your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different bags. All have a lot of room, a lot of depth, but you also get some little mini bags where you can keep screws, you can keep wall anchors, things like that. Or if you need to put anything else with some Velcro on here, you totally can, and it'll go back. Another thing to note, which I think is awesome about this, is that it will kind of adjust on the fly as you need it, right? There will be times where you have a lot of stuff on the inside. There'll be times where you have just a few things. But when you hit your little clamps right here, you can tighten as needed. So it's always nice and taut. It's easy to carry around. It's easy to put it all together in one spot and not have to put so many things in your pockets or whatever it may be.